Good morning. Back here again to work on the old CoPart Ford Focus number 2. Going to continue where I left off yesterday and try and make a little bit more progress so it's ready to accept panels. I still got to take off some panels, which is what I decided yesterday, and push some stuff around to get it to where it'll fit. And that's the goal for today, since it's Sunday and it's, time to do this, and then I'll go back to work tomorrow. So stick around. Here's where I left off yesterday. We're going to continue on this, and I'm going to try and straighten these two sides out. I got my porta power and my hammers here, so I'm just going to continue removing, and then we'll try and push some steel around, so we'll see what happens. I thought this was funny yesterday. I was using this pole stick and I read the label, and it said this product contains chemicals known to the state of California to cause cancer and other birth defects or other reproductive harm. What the it's a big metal pole. How is that got chemicals in it? I just don't understand. At least it's got the big old Made in the USA on it, so that's a good thing. Hopefully they didn't use steel from China on it. So anyways, I thought that was pretty stupid or funny. Well, this is going a lot slower than I thought, but we're still making progress. But trying to save as much metal as I can so I have something to weld to. I'm sure some professional would know that I'm doing about a bazillion things wrong, but I'm getting there. So I'm gonna take a moment, get a bottle of water, and then I'll continue. So I did a little work off camera, and now I'm gonna pop that off. I think I got it loosened up, and I think I got everything drilled out for the bottom part of it. So hopefully I'll have this one off here in a second. So let's see what happens. Well, here's where I finished for today. It's Sunday and I got a lot of other stuff to do. I got this side about off, and then Good Friday I'll be back over here working to get this side off, so that we can then try and get the shit moved around to work right. Should be great fun to try and get that pulled out all the way. Now that I got that, all that other metal off, I'm gonna use the porta power, my new puller, maybe come along against that pole over there. But we'll figure out how to get it all back to the right spot so I can put the new metal in. Thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed, and there'll be more coming out. Thank you.